Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Azrin Sahara binti Ahmad Shukri and I am from Kedah. I recently graduated with Diploma in Law from Universiti Sultan, Zainal, Abidin. I want to make the world a better place to live in for everyone. My favorite quote is, "Do not let yesterday take up too much of today." Today, I will talk about 5 principles that has been laid down in the case of Carlill versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company, 1893. So, let's start with the fact of the case. The defendant, the Carbolic Smoke Ball Company, placed an advertisement in a newspaper for their products, stating that anyone who purchased and used their product but still contracted influenza, despite properly following the instructions, would be entitled to £100 reward. The advertisement further stated that the company had demonstrated its sincerity by placing £1,000 in a bank account to act as the reward. The claimant here, Mrs. Carlill, thus purchased some smoke balls and, despite proper use, contracted influenza and attempted to claim the reward from the defendants. The first principle is, intention to create legal relationship is an essential element in a contract. In this case, the defendant argued that they got no intention to enter into a contract. However, the court held that the intention to create legal relationship in this case is when the defendant had deposited £1,000 with bankers. Next, for a contract to be valid, there must be consideration. In this case, since the plaintiff, Ms. Carlill, has used the product within the prescribed manner, the act was deemed sufficient consideration. The third principle is, an offer can be made to the world. An offer may be made to the whole world, where a person who is aware of the offer may accept it by complying with the terms of the offer. So such an offer is usually made by way of an advertisement, which can be read by many people as illustrated in this case. The fourth principle is, advertisement is an invitation to trade, but upon certain conditions, it can be an offer. One of them is an unilateral contract. It becomes a contract when anybody comes forward and performs the condition. As we can see, the contract between Carlill and Carbolic Smoke Ball Company is a unilateral contract. According to this case, the acceptance of the offer is by the plaintiff's conduct. Finally, the last principle that I'm going to talk about is, acceptance by conduct need not necessarily be communicated. The general rule is that acceptance is only effective when it is communicated. In this case, the defendant argued that the plaintiff did not inform the acceptance of the offer and therefore the contract is not concluded. However, in unilateral contract, communication of acceptance is not necessarily be communicated unless it was stated by the offeror in his offer beforehand. That's all from me regarding the 5 principles that has been laid down in the case of Carlill versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. Thank you for watching.